Hello teacher, good morning. My name is Adrian Machado, a happy student, and today I will present 5 idioms in English. Idioms are expressions that have a special meaning different from the literal meaning of the words. Idiom 1. Break the ice. Romper el hielo. Decision explanation. Decision means to start a conversation in situations where people feel uncomfortable or shy. Sentence. I told a joke to break the ice at the party. Idiom 2. Piece of cake. Muy fácil. Explanation explicación. This idiom is used when something is very easy to do. Sentence. The maths homework has a piece of cake for me. Idiom 3. Hit the books. Translation. Estudiar mucho. Explicación. This idiom means to study hard, especially before an exam. Sentence. I need to hit the books because I have a big test tomorrow. Idiom 4. Spill the beans. Slash. Contar un secreto. Explicación o explanation. This idiom is used when someone reveals a secret accidentally or on purpose. Sentence. My friend spilled the beans about the surprise party. Idiom 5. Under the weather. Sentirse enfermo. Explicación. This idiom means to feel sick or not well. Sentence. I feel under the weather today, so I will stay at home. This was my presentation of 5 idioms in English. I hope you like it and understand the meanings. Thank you, teacher, for attention. Este ha sido mi examen de speaking. Una linda tarde, profe.